All right, guys, this is the 74th hired request on the list. Actually, it's the 79th that I'm doing, but the way it worked out with the numbers and the additions at the beginning of the list, it's actually the 79th, but it says 74 on the list. It is Declan Galbraith, Love of My Life. This is a live version. You can find it on YouTube. And the piano starts here. Singing starts, da 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 da. Then one. Do, 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 do. Section right there. All right, hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. The rest of the lesson for this song, as well as thousands of other lessons I've done over the past 11-12 years, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. webpianoteacher.com. Something on there for everybody, all skill levels, all genres of music. Even if you are a complete beginner, I have lessons for you. You got to start somewhere. And I'll start you off from square one on the site with my 50 beginner lessons. But let's get started here. Also, almost forgot, Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. We start with piano. I don't hear that D in the recording, but I'm pretty sure that's what happens in this live version. It's kind of cut off at the beginning, and so that's why I put it in parentheses. That's what the rest of the phrase does. So I'll just go low D, high D for the left. Here's middle C, 1, and then crossover for an F. Then the right hand will play an F chord, A, C, F. So it's 1 and 2 and. Now 3 and 4 and will be E, E, G in the right hand, and then B, D, G. So 1 and 2 and. Not too fast. Bum, ba, ba, ba. That rhythm is a little different. F, F, A, C. So F, F, A, C with the right, then F and A up high. 1 and 2 and. Now we're going to do an arpeggiated chord. Okay? It's a G chord at its root. But we have G, D, F in the left, then A, C, D, F in the right. Then you cross over the left hand for the A, C at the end. Like that. Don't be in a rush to do it. It's not a super fast roll. So the intro is 1 and 2 and. All right, and then da 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 da. Love of My Life, I think, is the first phrase there. The name of the song. G, C, C, G, C in the right, and then D, G in the right, back to middle C. And at the end of that measure, we'll have a G in the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Next measure is low A to G, then right hand does C, G. Hold it for a bit, and then E, C, G. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next measure is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's D, G in the left, then the right hand will go A, C, F with 1, 2, 5, fairly fast. 16th notes, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, G. Then low G, higher G, right hand C, D, left hand G that you're already on, then right hand G, B, D. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go from the beginning of the verse part to get that down. A 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and a 1 and 2 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Then we have. I put a B flat in parentheses right before we started because the piano doesn't do that, but I hear the strings maybe go down to a B flat in the bass because that would lead us nicely to the F chord. So I put it in there just as a last minute thought because I thought it would help out the arrangement. So I'm going to play it that way. C, G, C in the left, and then D, G in the right. 1 and 2 and 3. Just add a B flat. You can even hold the pedal for all of it. It works. Doesn't muddy up too much to hold the pedal for all of it. And then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I played that incorrectly the very first time through. I played the right chord, but didn't do everything in the right order. I added a left hand note or something. But it's left hand F, and then the right hand will go A, C, F, A, F, C, F. It's an F chord with an A as an octave. 1, 2, 4, 5. And then we have 1 and 2 and 3. Take it away. So D, A, F, D, D, or F, A to D, A, G, C, E, and the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. B flat, F, C, and D together, and then F, C. These are faster. Da 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 da. G, A, G, F. I'll use 2, 3, 2, 1. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 E and a 1. Now right there, it's F, B flat, D, 1, 3, 5. Left hand on a B flat. Move the right hand up to a G, C, E. Left hand goes down to A. These are all quarter notes. A, D, F. Left hand on a D. B flat, D, G. Left hand on a G. And then softly a C, because again I hear some instruments go to a C, though I don't hear the piano do that. I think it helps the arrangement, okay? So we have time. Let's go from the very beginning and go that far. Here's the very beginning. Roll. Then you start. Love of my life. Oh, sorry. Double bar, 1. So then we have the next part there. That'll be the part 2 that we do. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.